welcome back to my channel. It's Lauren, and get ready to fly to New York City and back with me in one day. Y'all, I didn't even know this was possible. Well, I knew it was possible. I just never thought I would actually be doing it. So I'm going to be kind of narrating this whole video, showing you clips and things from this trip. I can't wait to tell you so much more about it. Some of you may know that I won the title of USA National Miss Alabama in October, I think, October, November. So I have a national competition this summer for the national title, and it's a really fun pageant. I'm really excited to be a part of it. This trip was solely dedicated to finding my dress, my beautiful gown. So let's get going. The vlog starts with me in Atlanta in my hotel. So let's go ahead and go back a few days and wake up bright and early at 3:30 in the morning to head out to our first flight.
Be scared, 'cause you know that I'm already there.
Hey guys, good morning and happy Monday. I am flying to New York and back today. Literally, I'm just flying there for a meeting that I will tell you a little bit more about later on. But right now I'm in the hotel. I just got fully ready and put on like a cute little outfit. This is a very important meeting and kind of reason why I'm flying to New York, so I wanted to put myself together. I'm about to be putting on my jacket, which is right here, and we're about to be heading out to the airport. Thankfully, I stayed in Atlanta overnight, so I'm right next to the airport. So let's go ahead and head on to our flight. All right, let's do a fit check before we wake Will up. So this is what I'm wearing. Obviously it's colder in New York. I don't really think I'm gonna be on the streets walking. I think we're just going to be like basically getting a car to the meeting. But I need to wake Will up. He is here with me. We spent the weekend in Atlanta. So let's go out here and wake him up because he's not gonna be very happy. Last night was the Chiefs game versus the Bengals. I definitely knew that. So he went a little wild crazy. But let's wake him up so he can take me to the airport. We have made it to the airport. Will is so excited.
I chipped my tooth.
He did chip his tooth this morning.
I am YouTube friendly words.
So we started heading out to the airport and we flew American first class there, which was super fun. I've never flown first class on American. So I flew out there with Flirt. They are a pageant prom shop in Georgia. So they were the people who flew me out to Giovanni, and I heard about this with my pageant coach, Amanda. I absolutely love her and am so grateful for all the opportunities that she has like told me about and I have gotten through doing pageants just in general. I flew with Flirt there, and then I was meeting with the designers at Giovanni to create a custom gown. I didn't think I would be creating a custom gown for nationals until I learned about the opportunity, and then obviously like I was all hands on deck. I absolutely wanted to do it. So you're about to be seeing the flight to New York City. I was so happy to be back, even if it was just for one day. And you're also going to see kind of bits and pieces of the showroom in Giovanni. I could not film a lot of it just because a lot of it you just legally like cannot film that. Like it's like it's not my designs, and it's kind of like couture pieces and like one of a kind pieces that like you just can't video. So that's kind of why I'm here narrating, y'all, because I couldn't like really talk. I couldn't film a lot for you, but I filmed as much as I could. So let's go ahead, head to New York City and head into the showroom. So while I was in the showroom, it was absolutely amazing. They had so many things to choose from, and literally what you can do is just pick pieces from certain dresses or jumpsuits or whatever and create your own gown. So that's what I decided to do. I was able to pick my own color, my beading, my style, my cut, like any extra things I wanted to add to it. I was in complete control. Like I could say anything I wanted and they would make it possible. So that's what we spent the afternoon doing. I think the appointment was an hour and a half, maybe it was 2 hours. When we landed into New York, obviously we had some breakfast. It was really good. It was called the TikTok Diner. I've never eaten there, so it was really fun to try out a new place in the city. And then we went straight from there to Giovanni. I have worn Giovanni once in my life, and it was actually my fun fashion that I wore for Ideal Miss. If y'all watch the vlog, like the full pageant vlog on that, you'll know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I loved that. So I went ahead and designed my gown, and unfortunately, y'all are not going to be able to see the gown until July. I know what you're saying. You're going to be like, Lauren, it's February. Why are you going to tease us like this? Y'all know when it comes to pageant things, I can only share a certain amount until the actual pageant is over or it's occurring, just because it's very important to me to keep my wardrobe and things like that private. I've had a lot of things happen in pageantry, but a lot of girls in pageants do it, just like in general. Like, you don't want to like show off your dress or anything before you put it on stage. So I'm really excited. It literally is like my dream gown. I am so thrilled to show you. It's going to be so worth the wait. Go ahead and comment down below what color you think the dress is. So far, I have had a yellow gown and a white gown. So let me know what you think this dress is. Am I repeating a color? Am I getting a new color? Let me know what you think. But after we designed everything at Giovanni, we hopped right on the plane. I think we had to be at the airport at 1:30 and our plane left at 2 or 2:30 or something. Not too sure. But we did fly back, and actually, oh my gosh. Okay, so the flight back was perfect. Like, it was fine, but I flew into Atlanta. So normally I fly out of Birmingham. Birmingham is closer to me, but Atlanta is like 3 hours away-ish, but you also have to deal with the time change. So we're like right on that line. Like, the Alabama and Georgia line starts a new time zone. Will and I just drove up and spent the weekend in Atlanta because I was flying out of Atlanta. So when I flew back, obviously I landed in Atlanta, and Will had set up a rental car for me to get. So I go to this rental car place, which is not connected to the airport. Like, it is some other, it's apart from the airport. Go there, and I'm like, hey, this is like my rental car, and I realized that Will had put the drop off and pick up the same exact location. I was like, I'm not gonna pick this up from the airport 3 hours away, drive back, and then drive back to put it back. No. I asked the lady if she could fix the reservation, and she was like, no, you're gonna have to go on a desktop computer and fix it. So I call Will gets on his computer, and he was like, they're saying there's no cars available. There was literally no cars available. I don't know. I'm guessing maybe they needed to have the car that they were going to give me still like in Atlanta. Like, they couldn't have it go somewhere else. So I did not have a way to get home. Like, literally no way to get back. So I had to Uber 3 hours back to my hometown. And y'all, I have never been in an Uber that long. I don't know if this is like normal. Like, down here, like, we don't have trains. Like, you can't just like hop on like a train or something. Like, no. Like, we're like in the rural, like, country, hillbilly, dirt road. Like, there is no trains. There is no like public transportation. So I literally had to Uber back. Thankfully, I had an amazing Uber driver. Angela, God be with you. Love you. She was so amazing. We talked the whole entire time. I was really nervous, but it ended up being really fun, and it ended up being a really fun trip. Now I am actually packing to go to LA. Y'all, like, I feel like an international superstar. I feel like I'm just going everywhere. I obviously am going to be vlogging my LA trip. LA is obviously longer than a day. That's why you didn't really get to see a lot of my trip to New York, because a lot of it was top secret, and then some of it I just couldn't show you. And then obviously I was just there for 1 day. So how are you going to like make a full travel vlog of it? But there will be a full travel vlog of my LA trip, as well as tomorrow morning I have a shoot for USA National Miss Alabama. It's like all of my sister queens getting together, and we're taking some photos. So I'm going to be vlogging that, and that will be live on Wednesday. So thank y'all so much for watching this video and hanging in there and enjoying the little slight tease I'm giving you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to join the family, you can click that subscribe button also. I love you guys so much, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!
'Cause you know that